uh, here's a tutorial for that guy questioning how to download install like this error. Like, wait, I'm gonna install it. Yo, I'm offline. I'm gonna on this. So guys, just wait. I'm just gonna on my. Open the Wi-Fi. If we done that, let's go to the link from the video. This, if you want the pysch engine or the NF engine, just do it. If you have the NF engine, just do it samely to pysch engine. But I have pysch engine. Yo, where's my pysch? Where's the pysch engine? Yo. So, I wanna install it.
Dark gray siya sa kalay.
No! Okay. Just install that. The link from the video. Go to the link of my video. Just like, yo guys, I'm back. The title.
Ay buya na to ang imo baro.
Yo. I'm just installing. We're just gonna wait. My parents is just saying because I'm in Philippines. Yo. If we install this,
Dila ni.
So ay nadamag ka mali ka pagid.
Ay taya.
so long.
Nagahambay.
Yo. This is so long.
Kay kuminsan gid.
Tugas
Poop, poop, poop. I'm gonna pause this for now, guys. Fire in the hole, fire in my toe. So long. Come on, install it!
Di ka ko'y bangoy.
Oh yeah!
Oh, nagbahoy. Ikabahoy ka na.
Just restarted, download this app. Yo, I had this. How do I get this? Huh? Yeah. Okay, I installed it. And if you go to Zarchiver, I know. You first go to the app. Then, it will pop up like this. Allow this.
Nag-aritos ka pa kung di lang na makita.
Whoops, seems like you didn't extract the files from the APK. This was a tutorial by pressing OK. Don't press OK. So, we go in Zarchiver.
Nag-aritos ka pa kung di lang na makita. Ano to kuno?
Just download Zarchiver in the App Store or like Google Play Store. So if you see this, just click on View, then go to Assets, and click the files like this, like this, like that. Press that, like that, and press that, and go to Assets and Mods. Press that too. So then go to here, then press copy. Then you'll go to Android, go to data, then we'll find some, and you need to find, I know I'm so wrong, and you need to go to hidden, and you have hidden. Go to pysch engine and paste it. Press this button in cyan.
Oh, hangiran na. Oh.
Press this
Kaya
button.
basi na. Dali lang.
Then it will extract and press
One
this
kay crumpled siya.
this thingy.
Daw mas unog kung trade.
Then go to your app. It should be working right now.
Gasangit, gasapnot. Sa number 3, ganigin dali-dali ko number 2.
It all worth it. It's the same like NF engine.
Sinunog mo ba ya?
Please don't go to data. Look at that, it's working. That's how you get. And you want mods? Wait, I will download mods. I'm just gonna download.
Sok-sok na nagid inahay.
This guy commenting, where did you install FNF? I just know ba. And we need to go just install a mod to the YouTube. So whatever mod you want. I wanna go search Gorilla tag FNF mod. Maybe. Let's try this.
Choose NanKid OptiPro, the only one with B-lactose probiotic, clinically proven to fight infections.
I love the idea of being by the beach. I just basically see nature taking over.
Green banana mods or different mods, and press this if you, and you need to press this. You need to press this up here like that. Press that. Then you go here, open Chrome browser, and go down until you see menu of files, and wait, Grill Funkin' Christmas demo. I wanna try this Christmas demo. Manual download. So guys, Xmas demo out. So it's 311 MB, 331. So just go download. I'll be waiting. So let's wait. Gonna wait. Our Wi-Fi is so fast. It's so download so fast. So if you want a mod, just go to YouTube and search it. Then if it had a link, just press on it. If you have rare mods, I don't know. Rare mods. No. And I do only zip, not rar. So if you just downloaded it, I'm just gonna wait. Fire in the hole, fire at my ass. I'm so sorry guys. I just want to be a YouTuber. I'm just a kid. 10 years old. So if you've done that, it's downloading. Let's wait, Joe. So go to the file and press that. Press the file, and go to Zarchiver. Go to Zarchiver. Then if you go to Zarchiver, you find this, just extract here and keep the screen from turning off. We're gonna wait. If you have enough more storage, just delete your not using files or apps. And I have apps that not using, but my classmate use them. So I'm just waiting. So
Igma.
Balik ito sa igma.
Mabalik kita sa
Pareho
igma, no?
ng dati. Kaya ang atong sinuksok, kailangan hay. Ang sinuksok tanang.
So if you got
Tapos
that,
bayunon mo lang pakantoy na kay makapakupure ka ng oras. Launa.
Una.
wait.
Ay, ang hapon ta.
Here, Gorilla Tag 1,
Ito kita
P6,
maihapon ka.
assets, ano.
Ano siya?
Go to mods.
Hay magmerinda la.
Go to, wait, let's see. Fantech, Signal Bells, Gary Krabs, Patrick, PDV, Santa, SpongeBob. I just installed the wrong mod. You guys, sorry, I just installed the wrong mod. Wait, just gonna install a mod. Just wait, guys, for a long time. So, guys, my Oculus Quest 2.
Hindi ba may mga bulak natin?
Oculus Quest 2 is charging. It's full.
Pero dito ba, kung maabutan mo pa.
You can download this. Then you get downloading
Isang
file.
katuig naabutan mo pa.
I'm just gonna wait it. I'm just gonna put my headset back to the
Pero basta
box. So guys, just wait. Just wait. Be patient. We're gonna wait. Let's go to box. So. Clapping so hard that my mom just died. Maybe it's done. Let's go. Downloads. No. I'm gonna delete this. Delete. Just gonna wait. I'm gonna pause this. No. Gonna do the. So guys, if you got to the wrong time, I'm going to data. I'm wrong. I'm so freaking stupid. Just like your mom. Sorry guys. You look at Gorilla Tag Funkin' Demo. And just press that. Go to Zarchiver. And go there. And if you do that, we're gonna do the easy way. Just press this gorilla. You install the mod. Just press and click view. Then go to Gorilla Funkin' Demo or your mod name. Then if you go to and press this file thingy, like I said earlier, just press that. Then go up here. Then copy and go to this menu over here and go to hidden. So sorry guys, I'm not seeing it. So guys, if you I just forgot. Oh my god, I freaking forgot. If you go to compact or grid, and we need to go to hidden. So if you go to hidden, and let's go to pysch engine and go to mods, then paste it. Just press the cyan button down there and extract. Sorry guys for not showing that. I'm so messed up. Sheesh. I am so messed up. Yo. Bum 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 bum. So install that. Bye guys. Please subscribe and like and click the bell. I think I did much post yet. So I just delete the clip. And I'm sorry. I was getting a hard time. So please. Bye.